5 biggest mistakes I see amateurs make at a weekend hunt test. Now, amateurs make these very common mistakes every weekend, and the rub of it all is they don't even see it. All right, I know. I've been training retrievers for over 30 years. I have made every single mistake I'm about to walk you through. I see these mistakes at every hunt test I go to. This is tough love, but it's something you need to pay attention to because these mistakes are costing you passes at your weekend hunt tests. These aren't dog problems, these are handler mistakes, and fixing just one of these will get you better results immediately. Mistake number 1, rushing everything. I've said this over and over and over again. Amateurs rush the setup, they rush the send, they rush decisions. Speed kills hunt test results. Most hunt tests are lost before the dog ever leaves the line. Calm handlers create calm dogs. Slow down, and your scores improve immediately. So we walk to the line up this hill 5 times. So we got lots of holding blind time and walking to the line time, which is kind of a neat way of doing these walking type singles. So we got wingers out there at each gun station. So number 2 is that broken hay bale you see in the center of your screen. That one will also go from right to left. Now it takes a few minutes for Julie to get it loaded and ready to go. And the reason I'm showing you this is that I like to bring the dog up the line and have them sit there for a long period of time and wait and be quiet and don't be fussing around. Sure, he's looking around a little bit, but he does see Julie moving around. So once he keys on that, tell him good, mark, signal. This is a tough little mark because it goes behind this log, but he does a really good job. So he actually ends up just slightly downwind, which is perfect on the left side of this log. Now, if he would have went to the right side of this log, he would have been in the wrong position to wind that bird. So he does a really smart and intelligent thing here. Mistake number 2, overhandling. Many amateurs handle because they're nervous, not because the dog needs it. They whistle too early, they don't trust the dog, they interfere with the good work. Overhandling turns passing runs into failing ones. If the dog is doing the right thing, stop helping. Mistake number 3, not watching the test dog. I have said this over and over before as well. The test dog gives you free information. Tells you which way the wind is blowing, how the wind is influencing the dog, what are some of the terrain factors, where are the trouble spots. Amateurs who don't watch the test dog choose to be surprised. You should never be guessing when it's your turn. Mistake number 4, ignoring line manners. Poor line manners fail more dogs than bad retrieves. Creeping, noise, lack of steadiness. Trust me, judges notice this immediately and they're writing it down in their book. And if it happens time after time after time, it might be a point of contention that they may fail you on trainability. If the line is sloppy, the run Usually is too.
Sit.
Mistake number 5, training harder instead of smarter after failure. This one hurts teams long term. Amateurs fail a test. Then they go home and they overtrain on what they failed on. More pressure, more drills, same mistakes. Failure is feedback, not punishment. If you don't learn from failure, you're prone to repeat it. Time for another reset. Here's the reset every amateur needs. Slow down. Trust the dog. Prepare like the test matters. Learn from every failure. Fix these habits and your results change fast. I'm tough on these points because they matter. I have failed hunt tests because of them, and I have passed because I fixed them. That's the difference. This channel is for amateurs who want honest, practical advice, not sugarcoating. If that's you, subscribe. Train like an amateur, think like a pro.